Entered the Gopher market, and these are small lanes where you can find different shops with mobile accessories and mobile phones. And in fact, you will find different types of mobile phones, all these brands, starting from iPhone to Samsung to all these other Chinese players like Oppo, Vivo, Xiaomi, so and so forth. And so in this video I'll try to show you some shops like with different products, and we'll also try to understand how these products are priced so that you will be able to come and explore as per your requirements as far as mobile phone and other electronic goods are concerned. So let's go inside the market. Today is a Saturday, and you can see people are in fact not too crowded. People are coming here, but the thing is that I was expecting more crowd, and the time I'm shooting this video is in the evening now, 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So you can see mobile repairing and different types of brands. This is audio speakers, JBL, Bose, and iPhone accessories, and the mobile covers. You have also tablet covers, and also this is an Apple product repair. Let's explore inside. What can we find? As you can see, there are different repairing shops which I can see, and there are plenty of people who are repairing their products, particularly mobile phones. And one thing I can see here is that this market is famous for second-hand products as well as for low cost mobile phones. So you might get some cheap deals, particularly for mobile phones. So this is a market where we are entering into a lane. This is heading towards the MCD market. This means this is maintained by Municipal Corporation of Delhi, which is called MCD. So let's see what we can find out over there. MCD. All right. So this also market seems to be a place for mobile phones and accessories. तो भैया आपके पास क्या क्या मिलता है, क्या क्या है आइटम्स? मोबाइल फ़ोन एक्सेसरीज, कवर्स, एक्सेसरीज और ओके. So this particular shop is for mobile phone accessories like mobile covers. और ये market जो है MCD की है. Okay. So this gentleman has also told us that this market is maintained by MCD. So
मेरा तो लेना था मैं भाई अभी कार हुई थी जो
let's try to ask them the price of different phones inside, and let's try our luck if they allow us to shoot inside the showroom.
एक चप्पल
आपके पास क्या क्या मिलते हैं?
कवर
मोबाइल कवर और ये
कवर।
कितने बैक कवर और कितने प्राइस कितने की है?
अलग 100 200
100 200 और
300
मैक्सिमम
500
500. So this shop is basically for mobile covers, and it starts from 100 rupees, Indian rupees, and if you convert into dollars, so it would start from $1.5, and it might go up to 500 rupees. So 500 rupees means around $7.5. So 7.5 to $8. So it seems to be good deal. So you have plenty of options to choose from. And let's ask the other person also, other shop. Let's go to the other shop. भैया आपके पास क्या मिलते हैं?
हमारे पास टेम्पर्ड बैक कवर रिपेयरिंग वगैरह रिपेयरिंग होती है, फोन भी मिलते हैं एप्पल।
और ये कवर्स के अलावा और क्या क्या मिलते हैं बोले आपने?
आईफोन वगैरह
मिलते हैं। आईफोन के अलावा आपकी और दूसरे ब्रांड भी मिलते हैं?
नो एप्पल, ओनली एप्पल।
तो एप्पल के जो क्या है, खासियत क्या है मतलब आपकी शॉप की? तो प्राइस में कुछ डिफरेंस है?
प्राइस में सस्ता मिलता है और चीज़ भी बढ़िया मिलती है।
ओके, तो 6S कितने में मिल जाते हैं आपके पास? Okay, so this gentleman is saying that apart from the covers, so he has different types of phones, including iPhone, and this basically they are focusing more on iPhone, and he is saying that they have a price difference which is unique, so that buyers should come to their place. This is quite interesting. Okay, so he's saying that as 6S 32 GB memory, internal memory, that can be purchased from them at 38,000 Indian rupees. So this means you are going to spend around $600 US. This is quite interesting. So if you're coming to Gopher Market, you should definitely visit them and close the deal. Let's proceed further and figure out what all deals that we can find out.
कलाकार होते हैं ना हमारे बैठे ले यार फोटो आप आएंगे आज तक में आएंगे नहीं आएंगे हाँ आएंगे जाओगे भाई उसकी भी घरेलू भाई लगेगी ये स्पीकर ऐसे तो है पक्का बाहर वाला ले लो
Guys, as you can see, there are many shops of mobile phone repairing as well as for mobile phone brands. So you could find a very good deal, but the thing is that you have to be very careful while buying the product, because there are very outdated products as well as very rough and tough products, which I would not personally recommend. But if you are visiting this place, you will definitely get some good deals, and you will definitely enjoy visiting here if you are a gadget lover. And yeah, I believe it would be a very good day for you, and you could definitely find some good deals. And thank you very much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and enjoyed the Gopher Market tour. And once again, we'll see. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll come up with a new video next time, and see you soon. Bye bye.